P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sick. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it. Well, it looks like I'm carrying triplets. Next doctor. Who is the next doctor anyway? Is it Billy Piper? Jodie Whittaker? Who is it? Is it David Tennant?
So fingers crossed, there's no one there, or this camp is buggered. Anyway guys, I will bring you back on the... What's her name again? Rebecca. Now think, Rebecca. Concentrate. Just start at the beginning. Where are your parents? Now look, Rebecca, you have to try and help. Pharaoh, do you copy? Prep for dust off. We're going to need immediate feedback. Say we take off. Second. Let's do it. Very much so. So what's May got? He's brought a piece of cheese. You brought a princess, James. I have. James, we're trying to prove that British Leyland occasionally made good cars.
You're not helping our case here. Most interesting car they ever made, and most rather very interesting. It's in good condition.
Why is it interesting?
This was the first car in the world to obscure its wiper spindles under the bonnet.
Obscure windscreen wiper spindles.
But the rest is...
And it looks like an insect.
You drive a spider? Well, technically a spider isn't an insect.
James, shut up, James. You've got a panda, you know nothing.
Can I say something here?
What?
I'm with Hammond.
Well, you like that?
I think it's terrific.
God, when you said I'm with Hammond, I thought you meant we were going out.
I would like to apologise to the nation and to the world, what's left of it, what's left that's watching, for the level of blind idiocy this week. And now, and two, I couldn't work out what it's for.
Hell, that's bad.
It's pretty poor, mate. It's pretty poor.
Caravanning, James.
Yeah,
Something you were looking forward to.
Well, let's watch it come off. Back. Slowly. Back.
James, you're going to have to back up. Can you back up?
He's cross with us because he's done that.
Yeah.
To our home.
Oh, look! James, somebody's pulled in a caravan and they haven't hit anything.
Get in the car.
Oh my God! No, this is terrifying. I can't begin to describe what this feels like. It's okay, wallowing quite badly. I asked James to pull in behind and assess the gravity of the situation, but he wasn't much help.
Well, you're going to break a record, are you?
How'd you get in here?
I'll give it to you later.
Is it all gone?
No.
Oh.
Well, that's okay.
You peaked most of it under 7 seconds, but obviously you haven't finished.
Send somebody up to break it loose? They're on their way. Okay.
Yeah, this is I don't think I could sup another tin of this. It's like a, yeah, it's like an angry bastard cousin of neck oil that just trapped his foreskin in zip. Yeah, it's not a pleasurable drink. It's, well, no. Obviously I'll sup this, but it's not something I would, it's definitely a session drink. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Fuck's sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe the glass.
And that's it.